Hamas has issued new rules stating that Gazan boys and girls will be taught in separate classes from the age of 9, while the changes will also bar men from teaching at girls' schools. The rules will come into force in the next school year and will apply to private religious and UN teaching establishments. Private and Christian schools, where classes are mixed until high school, would be the most affected by the decision. Gaza's government-run schools are already largely gender segregated. Opponents of the changes have raised concerns over the rights of women and the imposition of strict conservative values on society, in a move which follows the imposition of Islamic dress on female lawyers and schoolgirls and the banning of men from working as hairdressers for women, while couples have reportedly been interrogated while walking the streets of the coastal enclave. Islamist Hamas, who Israel and the US consider a terror group, won parliamentary elections in Gaza in 2006, before eventually gaining control a year later after a power struggle with secular rivals Fatah.